It's the final and biggest day at the NATO summit here in The Hague. The U.S. president arrived last night, and after a lavish dinner and breakfast with the Dutch king and queen, Donald Trump is now at the summit. At a press conference with the NATO Secretary General, Mark Rutte called Trump a man of peace and complimented him for brokering the ceasefire between Israel and Iran. Trump also met with Turkey's President Erdogan, their first face-to-face meeting since Trump's return to office. During their 30-minute chat, they discussed the Iran-Israel conflict and the war in Ukraine. They also addressed bilateral ties, including how to boost cooperation in the defense field. On that front, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio said the U.S. would explore ways to lift defense sanctions against Turkey. Trump is also meeting with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky today. He says they will discuss the obvious. The sit-down would be their first in-person meeting since April, when the two were at the Vatican for the funeral of Pope Francis. He said Zelensky has some difficulties, but that he's a nice guy. On NATO, Trump confirmed his commitment to Article 5, a key provision establishing the principle of collective defense. It states that an armed attack against one or more NATO members shall be considered an attack against them all. The U.S. president said he is with them all the way and praised the 5% defense spending pledges by NATO members as big news, stating that he's been asking them to hit that target for years now. It's also now referred to as the Hague Defense Investment Plan. Mark Rutte also hailed the 5% target and called on Russia to end the war in Ukraine. There is a lot more to come here at the NATO summit, so please keep it locked to AnewZ. I'm Anita Sharma in The Hague. Back to Baku.